Went for a walk with my new girlfriend and we saw two dogs mating. She said, "How does the male know when the female is ready for S***X?" I replied, "He can smell she is ready, that's how nature works." We then walked past a sheep field and the ram was mating the ewe. Again my girlfriend asked how the ram knew when the ewe was ready for S***X. I replied, "It's nature, he can smell she is ready." We then went past a cow field and the bull was mating the cow. My girlfriend said, "This is odd, they are all at it, surely the bull can't smell when she is ready." I said, "Look, it's nature, all animals can smell when the female is ready for S***X. Anyway, after the walk I dropped her home and kissed her goodbye. She said, "See you soon, but I hope your freaking cold gets better."